My study is to work primarily in natural habitats and to document the biodiversity in terms of the moths that occur in the various places that I work in. I study about 12 different areas. I think it's extremely important because practically no one else is doing it. And I'm thinking in terms of government, various places, agriculture, forestry. My work is long-term. It involves collecting from the earliest spring right up to the latest fall when the moths are flying, and doing this year after year after year.